So now, before we do that, let's just do a quick exercise. So I'm going to give you 30 seconds to do this. 30 seconds. If x is equal to -3, solve for y equal to x cubed minus 2x plus 8. So you have 30 seconds to solve this. What did I write again? X cubed minus 2x plus what? Was it 6 or 8?
8.
Okay, plus 8. So if x is -3, so you have 30 seconds. Okay, who got the answer?
I did.
Okay, let's see. What did you get?
Y is equal to -13.
Y equal to -13. Who got the same thing? Who agrees with that?
I did the same thing.
Okay, more people agreed. So now for those ones that I didn't hear their voice, who wants to explain how you got that, please? I'm going to write exactly what you say. So let me write solution. So whatever you tell me, that's what I'm going to write. Go.
You just have to fill in -3 with all the x's.
Okay. I like the way you say it. You say fill in x. You have -3 raised to power 3 minus 2 -3 plus 8. Okay, I like that. That's a new vocabulary for me.
Do PEMDAS.
So -3 raised to power 3 is what?
-27.
-27, and then minus times minus is plus. So 2 times 3 is
6.
plus 6 plus 8. So 6 plus 8 is 14. So you have -27 plus 14. So that's 13, -13. So that's correct. Y is equal to -13. Okay. So now let's do one more. Let's do one more. And I am going to change something now. I will say if x is equal to x minus 1, solve for y equal to x raised to power 2 minus 2x plus 8. So I'm going to give you, to do this one, I'm going to give you 2 minutes.
Is that x minus 1?
Yeah, I found the answer.
Yeah, that's x minus 1.
Okay.
Let's give 30 more seconds. Who else got the answer?
I did.
Me.
Okay, so let's see the solution. Who wants to volunteer?
I'll volunteer.
Okay, please explain to us what you did. I'm going to write exactly what you say. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so I substituted x minus 1 for everywhere there's an x. So,
Okay, so what he said is he did y equal to x minus 1
yes,
and then whole squared minus 2 bracket
x minus 1
x minus 1
plus 8.
plus 8.
Yeah.
And then what's next?
Okay, so you just use the distributive property on x minus 1 squared.
So which is you are saying we can do x minus 1 and then x minus 1 and then the distributive property. Walk us through this one, this plane.
Okay, so x times x would be x squared.
X squared.
And then -1 times -1, because no negative times a negative is a positive. So it'll be a positive 1.
Okay, plus 1.
Okay, and then you would do the same for the second one. So -2 times x.
And where do you get -2?
Right here.
I'm not seeing it.
No, in the main equation.
Okay, let's see. I don't think we have finished the distributive property. I don't think we have. But let's see. Let me verify it. Just pause whatever you're saying right now. Let me verify the distributive property. Okay?
Mr. Kigbu,
Yes?
what I didn't write it out as a binomial. I just did x squared and then -1 squared.
I don't think that is correct. I will tell you why. But hold on. I don't think that's correct. I will tell you why. So now let's use distributive property, the one we are sure of, right?
Okay.
Okay, so we are going to have x times x is x squared.
Mhm.
X squared. That one is settled. Then x times -1 is going to be negative what?
-x.
Negative x. Then negative x times -1 times x is going to be negative x as well. And then negative times negative is positive. 1 times 1 is 1. So negative x is supposed to give us -2x plus 1. And this is x squared. So this is supposed to be this. You got it?
I understand that.
All right. So then you bring this value back, bring it back to this place. And when you do that, you're going to have x squared minus 2x plus 1. Then you open these other parentheses. So you are going to have negative 2x. Negative times negative is positive. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 8. Then you collect your like terms. So these are like terms. So you have x squared. Collect the like terms, -4x. Then these are the like terms. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11.
Plus 12. Right now.
Is it 12 or 11?
It's 11.
11.
11. Okay. Plus 11. And that's your y. Okay. That's your y. So if the question says evaluate the result when x is, let's say, 2 or 3 or 4 or any other number. So let's add evaluate the result when x is equal to, give me a number, just give me a small number.
3.
3. Okay. So in that case, all we do is we plug in 3 into anywhere we see x. So that's going to be, y is it going to be 3 raised to power 2 minus 4 bracket 3 plus 11. And 3 raised to power 2 is 9. 9 minus 12 plus 1. So that should be 10 minus 12 should be -2.
It's 11, not 1.
Oh, I'm sorry, 11. Okay, so 9 plus 11 is 20. 20 minus 20 minus what? 12 is what? 8. So that's how to do it. And what we have just done right now, is composition of function. The only thing we didn't do is we did not use function notation. What we have done now, let me repeat, is called composition of function. We have combined two functions. The only thing we did not do is we did not use function notation.